Hello, eighth graders. This lesson is for Thursday, April 2nd. We're going to talk about some other internet safety terms that are very important. So I'm going to post this in Google Classroom. Sometimes I want to do it the day before, so it'll probably be there. Today's Wednesday, sometime today. So, how to be a good digital citizen. There's effects of cyberbullying. And one of the words is called trolling. And trolling gets someone upset online to get a rise out of them and post an argument. So that means that they send something to you and you may not agree with it, so you go back at them. So if it's an opinion that you don't agree with and you go back at them, that's called trolling. Grooming is getting someone to trust you and wanting to eventually hurt you. That takes time. It takes weeks, even months for that to happen. And so it's like, grooming your hair. It takes a while to make yourself look good, but this is a different kind of grooming. This is where they gain your trust first, and then they eventually want to meet you. So I'm gonna show you a video in a couple of minutes on that. So some examples of trolling are like if someone says, I think President Trump is a great president, and the other person's like, no, he's not. He has something to do with, he has to do something with his hair. He has enough money to do it. And then you'll go back and forth on that if you don't agree. And up here is a YouTube video on an example of trolling that I'll have you listen to on your own. This is a video on Facebook online reputation. So I'm going to have you listen to that on your own as well. Cyberstalking is tracking and harassing people online. So regular stalking is not done online. Cyberstalking is done online. These are examples of grooming. Now this is very, I'm warning you that it's very disturbing, but it's something true that happened. So I'm going to show this to you on this video so you can see how serious something like this can be. So here, I'm going to show it to you right now. So I'd like you to think about this. I know that it's something really sad and tragic, but it's something real that happened. You got to think about, why did Lewis do that? Why did he manipulate him? It's just things like that. And I also, I'm gonna have you watch this one on your own. It's the interview with Breck's mom. And actually, there's a lot more to this story. So if you want to watch it on your own and look it up on YouTube, I think it's about 45 minutes long if you want to watch the whole thing on how this happened to him. But it is something that, I care about you guys, and I really want you to just be careful with, people that you are in contact with online. So I'm going to have you, do this on your own and answer these questions. And these are some things you could do to be a good digital citizen. So I'm going to have you read it off. Don't worry about the bottom part of this because, we're not together, obviously, to do that. And so that is it for this lesson. I know it's sad, but I want you to hand this in when you're finished so I know that you answered these questions. And I'm going to post it in Google Classroom. And I know that you guys are probably sad right now. I mean, I am every time I see it. It's just really horrible. But this is just really important stuff that you need to know. And I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you soon.